Good evening. Good evening. In less than an hour, police and army will be tightening roadblocks across the road, and you will be continuing the longest quarantine period in the history of mankind. Mankind, huh? Words got new meaning for all of us today. We can't be consumed by our petty differences anymore. We will be united in our common interests. Perhaps it's fate that we recently had a change in government, and you will once again be fighting for our freedom. Not from 1MDB or cronyism or corruption, but from coronavirus. We're fighting for our right to live, to exist. And should we win the day, the 1st of April will no longer be remembered as just April Fool's Day, but is the day that Malaysians declare in one voice, we will not go quietly into the night. We will not vanish without a fight. We're going to live on. We're going to survive. Today, we stay at home. Don't go out there.